Just like the rest of our body parts, the skin also requires certain essential nutrients to maintain it in good health. This biggest of our body organs is tough but is still susceptible to the excesses of the outside environment, as well as the changes that occur inside our bodies. But since we can only control our external environments to a certain extent, it is important to ensure that our internal environment is healthy and happy. Hormonal ups and downs, deficiency of certain essential dietary components etc. may wreak havoc on the skin. So while you spend thousands of bucks on buying expensive cosmetics to look good on the outside, you may also benefit from spending some time to ensure a healthy diet for your skin as well. Kindly subscribe to my channel. My channel need your support. Skincare tips, nutrients for healthy skin. Some nutrients that have been known to promote skin health include antioxidants, omega-3 and -6 fatty acids and vitamins E and C. Antioxidants are found in a number of plant-based foods like fruits and vegetables, as well as spices and herbs. These usually also contain the essential vitamins important for maintaining a healthy skin. Meanwhile, fatty acids are found in seeds and nuts, as well as fatty fish. Vitamin C helps in synthesis of collagen, while vitamin E is important for protecting the skin from the sun and UV damage. Antioxidants fight inflammation, which reflects on the outside in the form of a blemish and acne-free skin. We have a recipe for you that combines all these nutrients in one delicious drink. Anti-aging coconut and turmeric drink recipe. This recipe contains banana, pineapple, flax seeds, coconut milk, coconut oil, ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. This drink can be a powerful addition to your diet if you are looking to improve the health of your skin. The coconut oil and milk are sources of healthy fats and important vitamins, and the shiny flax seeds give you a dose of omega fatty acids. Ginger and turmeric are both root spices that are said to have anti-aging benefits by improving skin elasticity and fighting inflammation. Here's how to make this drink. 1. Chop the banana and pineapple. 2. Place them in a bowl and add flax seeds, grated ginger, coconut oil, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder and flax seeds to the fruits. 3. Add coconut milk and use a handheld blender to blend all the ingredients together. 4. You may add a little honey to sweeten the drink more if you like. It's important to stay hydrated and wash your face after a day out in the sun to ensure a healthy and clear skin. Kindly subscribe to my channel.